go through adolescence. So we need to be doing more because we know that sports actually doesn't only help with...
When kids can't hear, they can't learn. And early detection of hearing impairment is crucial. But how do we grab Gen Z's attention long enough and get them to listen? Introducing the Vodacom Hearing Challenge, a hearing test designed as a TikTok challenge. We joined forces with Lady Do, a rising South African musician connected to youth culture, and an audiologist to develop a track that empowered the youth to get checked for often treatable hearing loss. The challenge replicated a basic version of a hearing test using the method from HearZA, a Vodacom-powered app designed to detect hearing loss and connect people with audiologists.
The test essentially measures your ability to understand speech in the presence of background noise. So it's really a test of real-life hearing because that's how we have to hear in the world around us.
With the custom instrumental, we layered vocal cues and adjusted the signal-to-noise ratio on a descending scale. The track was embedded into TikTok's filter functionality and it went live. The filter challenged people to identify the numbers they heard in the lyrics, just like in the app. Those who aced the test were encouraged to share it with their friends. Those with identified hearing loss were directed to download the HearZA app and take the full hearing test. The challenge blew up. HearZA app downloads surged, and our Gen Z test takers with hearing loss got the tools they needed to get help and live their best lives.